Dreams are the fuel of human progress. Every invention, every breakthrough, every story of success began with someone daring to imagine something bigger than themselves. But here's the truth most people forget. Big dreams don't start big. They start small, fragile, almost invisible, like a single spark that eventually ignites into a blazing fire. The mindset that creates success is built on this idea. No matter how high you want to climb, the journey always begins with one step, one decision, one act of courage. Think about it. The Wright brothers weren't born with limitless resources or advanced laboratories. They were two bicycle mechanics working in a small workshop building machines everyone laughed at. People mocked them, saying flight was impossible. But they had a dream to see a man soar through the skies. And they started small. Each screw, each wing adjustment, each failed attempt was part of their beginning. Because they dared to take those small steps, they gave the world the miracle of flight. The same story plays out across countless lives. Steve Jobs didn't start Apple in a corporate tower. He started in a garage with a vision and a handful of parts. Oprah Winfrey didn't instantly become one of the most influential voices in the world. She began in small broadcasting roles, facing rejection after rejection, until persistence shaped her destiny. Jeff Bezos didn't launch a global empire overnight. He started by selling books from his garage, packaging boxes himself, driven by the belief that small steps would eventually add up. And they did beyond anything he imagined. The lesson is simple: dreaming big is essential. That vision lights the fire inside you and pulls you forward. But the real magic lies in starting small, because small is where action happens. Everyone loves the idea of success, but many are paralyzed by the size of their dreams. They look at the mountain and freeze. The right mindset teaches us not to conquer the mountain in one leap, but to climb it step by step, to move forward even when progress feels invisible. And yes, it's uncomfortable. Starting small means you'll face doubts. People will question you. They'll laugh. They'll say you're wasting your time. But remember this: every great achievement once looked ridiculous. Thomas Edison was told he was wasting his life experimenting with light. Walt Disney was told he had no imagination. J.K. Rowling's manuscript was rejected a dozen times before it became a global phenomenon. Every story of greatness began as a story of struggle. The beauty of starting small is that it shapes character. When you're working late nights, when no one is clapping for you, when results seem distant, that's when you are building the persistence required for lasting success. Every small step is a foundation stone. Every failure is a lesson. Every minor victory is proof that you're moving forward. Small beginnings are not signs of weakness, they are seeds of greatness.